Gonna take my horse through the uptown road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the cargos on my pants. What am I doing? You're gonna learn how to style cargo pants whether you like it or not. I'm gonna break the video down into 3 things, and they're gonna be style, fitment, and shoes. So we're gonna start with the style of the cargo first, because just like gender variation, there's a lot. There's almost like what, 42? But there are actually many different types of cargos, and they all have different looks, even though it's kind of just the same concept. It's just big pockets on your leg. Like there's just regular cargos. You have camo cargo. Damn, am I really gonna make this joke right now? Am I really gonna make them invisible and call them camo? Camo cargos, cropped ones. We got ones with the zippers at the bottom. Some even have straps, just in case. You know, you might need a. Why are those there? What are they attached to? So depending on your style, you can choose different ones. If you're more casual about it, then maybe just the regular ones with the cuff at the bottom. Those are easy to style. I'm sure they'll suffice. They kind of just go with anything that you can put pants under anyway. So if you're pretty into it, like you play airsoft, you hang around random ass stoops in Soho, you got the military surplus ones, the quote real cargo pants. These are perfect for Japanese streetwear stuff and like a lot of grunge styles, or if you're friends with Jaden Smith. And for the people that just happen to be on rooftops at 3 in the morning, you got the super techie ones. These are really cool. They're like special. You can really build an aesthetic around them, but it's really all based on the material. This one's really dope for the tech wear stuff. Like, I don't know what this is. Is it polyester? Polyurethane? Polynesian? That stuff looks great on cargos. Definitely a bit more out there, like I said, but that's good. You know, if you're hacking into mainframes, climbing on roofs, because the downstairs is just not good enough for you, I guess. But yeah, if you're the type of person to really like that look, you probably don't even care what people think about you anyways. So depending on the look you're going for, definitely just take some time in picking a good style of cargo that will match the rest of your wardrobe. This way you get more wear out of it. It kind of just fits into your rotation instead of being a singled out piece. You get more for your money is what I'm saying. Next up, we got fitment. This is also important because this is what separates the tech boys from the Soho boys. They don't necessarily like each other too much because one group really likes the roof and one group really likes sitting on the ground. They're exact opposites. They're mortal enemies in streetwear. Usually the slim to medium fitted cargo pants work well with most looks. They're pretty neutral, but they still got that little flair. This just makes them really easy to wear, but it still makes you look like you take care of yourself and you're into style and also very mindful of your portable storage. Just 3 great attributes that will make more people like you. The baggier ones start to get a bit more street, but that's good. It adds a lot of character. I can always appreciate a nice baggy pair of cargos. These look good with like a grungier fit, very worn in, rugged looks. Those are perfect. And since they're a big pair of pants, your fit gotta be matching those proportions. A slim to medium fit looks dope with most looks, but an oversized fit looks amazing when styled with good proportions. And on the topic of amazing, thank you guys. We hit 600K the other day. It was crazy. Look at that. Look at that. That's you. That's you guys right there. Wow. You guys are kind of thick, huh? Lastly, we got shoes. This is pretty simple. Cargos are very street oriented, so sneakers look dope. Like I said about the proportions. Bulkier shoes look great, like the Air Force ones, the Jordan ones, skate highs even. I find that beat up shoes look great with the cargos too. So if you're on the fence about it, just beat those shoes up. Okay, so thanks for watching the video this far. Wow, thank you. And hopefully you learned a thing or two about horses. But also, wow, 600K? That's a lot. Thanks, guys. That's more people than Albuquerque, New Mexico. And they filmed High School Musical there. Go follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Also, go listen to my podcast, the Christian Podcast. Better content than on this channel, I promise. The link is in the description. Thank you for tuning in, gamers.